Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Remax up in Big Bear. Today I'm going to walk you through 783 Thrush Avenue. Come check it out. Okay, so here we are from the street, 783 Thrush. We're going to be looking at a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,252 square foot, and just listed for $699. So first off, looking for some lot lines. I spy a property marker right there. So kind of running back this direction. Got some beautiful oak trees, pine trees, some manzanita out here. And if you look around, you've basically got like vacant land back here. That is part of a camp. And then right where you see those orange signs, that's gonna be Snow Summit's parking lot. So you basically are walking distance, closest thing to the slopes that is on the market right now. And a little bit further down the street, maybe where you can see some cars, that is gonna be Big Bear Boulevard. Probably about maybe 1.5 miles, 2 miles to the village from here. And just a few steps to the ski slopes. So our other property marker, if I was a betting person, which you never want to bet, it's going to be somewhere in this area, right around here would be my guess. But we could definitely check the property plat map if you are interested to know more. So coming inside, this one has been mostly used as a second home, and then currently, or in its most recent years, a little bit of a short-term rental too. So inside we're gonna have 2 bedrooms on the main floor, 1 bathroom on the main floor, and then a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom upstairs as well as a 1-car detached but attached garage right here. So on this side, you can kind of see the property marker too running up behind the shed right here. And it is partially fenced as well for animals and kids. So you do have blacktop driveway, good enough to park probably 4, 5, possibly 6 cars. Coming up, we do have the graded metal stairs. And this is great for ice and snow, to be able to melt through. And then beautiful deck. What's great about it is that you are nicely shaded over here. You can see by the trees, also by the roof line. Great shade. Roof is in really good condition. We can kind of see it right here. Lots of life left in it. Nice skylight we're gonna see inside. And then we do have gutters on this one. It's got that A-frame peak. And let's go right in. Okay, so here we are coming inside. I'm just gonna kind of pan around real quickly so you get an idea of the layout. So we've got our living, dining, and kitchen off to the right. Access to the backyard back here as well. 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom down here. And then a bedroom, bathroom upstairs. So at our entry, we do have laminate hardwood floors. And then the carpet is in great shape. I have not witnessed any stains coming inside the home yet. Let me see if I can straighten you out a little bit. There we go. So we do have vaulted tongue and groove ceilings, just as we all love in a mountain home. What I do like is that you've got also these tinted windows up top, so you get nice treetop views up there, but it's not coming in and like way too hot on you. Kitchen, living room, dining room is all open. So coming into the living room, We've got a nice cozy space. Could get a sectional in here if you wanted to, possibly even another sofa. We've got our area for our TV. Nice wood trim all the way around. Very detailed and very well taken care of. And then check out this fireplace. Beautiful brick fireplace all the way up, floor to ceiling. And this is a wood burning stove. Let me see if I see a gas starter in here. I don't, but it is one that you can have a real mountain fire in it. And then check this out. Beautiful hand carved mantle right here. Pine cones, nice pine needles, and then a live edge up here. And our little welcome bear. We do have probably about like a 2.5 foot wainscoting around the majority of the downstairs. It does run behind the couch as well. And we've got a 6-person table. Central heating. And we did transition from the carpet back to the laminate hardwood floors. We do have dual pane windows with grids in them. Beautiful mountain touches. A little coffee bar area. I like the glass on the inside of that. Everything's nicely labeled as well. So if you are looking for a vacation rental, it is pretty turnkey for that very purpose. We will go outside last, so I'm going to take you through the kitchen first. Cabinets are in great shape. Pull outs on them, as you can see. And then coming in, we've got like a U-shaped kitchen right here with a live edge, real thick countertop right here. Like a 2 or 3 inch countertop. Beautiful piece of wood. So it kind of makes for an eat at kitchen countertop. Then we do have granite in here, stove, oven, and the microwave all matching with the fridge. And then we also have a fun little space up above if you're one for decorating for like different seasons, holidays, but I really want to put a Christmas tree up there. Dual sink, Kohler, again, everything labeled. Cold is on the left, hot is on the right. Garbage disposal. And stainless steel dishwasher that appears to be pretty brand new. That's funny. I've got an espresso machine and the phone number on there. Okay, so first off, we're going to come down the hallway, and what we're going to see is closet, bedroom, bedroom, closet, bathroom. So as you can see, doors have the beautiful knotty pine. All the grooves are in there, very heavy duty door, automatic lighting. Once you go into the storage under the stairwell, and then we're going to come in to the bedroom downstairs, and really the master's pretty much upstairs because that's got its own like private bedroom bathroom. But in here, nice big king size log furniture, beautiful detail as you can see. Cozy carpet down here. We do have a closet with mirrors on both sides. Enough room for the king bed, dresser, and 2 end tables. Nice large beams in here too. I love this piece of artwork. It's just kind of like family history of some spoons, which is pretty neat. Like, where were these spoons used? Love it. A great frame for that too. Okay, so coming down, we're gonna go into bedroom number 2. Same doors. Beautiful wallpaper in really good condition too. I mean, really, you cannot see any signs of wear and tear at all throughout the home. It is in such great condition. Usually when something is a rental, you can tell. But this one, really beautiful shape. King size bed. That could be a queen size bed in here. And then coming back in the hallway, we have another automatic lighting with towels, beach towels for the bathroom, but also for the spa tub outside. Coming into the bathroom, we've got some nice laminate, it's kind of like a vinyl laminate flooring. Super clean. Nice beveled mirror. Pretty tile. And then this is cast iron. Good storage. Lots of counter space. Same tile as in the tub. Cast iron sink. And updated fixtures as well. So then we're gonna come back down the hallway and go upstairs. And so here is another closet right at the entryway. Love this beam, how that was put on there too. Very well thought out. Carpet is in great shape, and just for rental, handrails have to return at the top. And so here we are at the top. We've got the master and the master bathroom. So each of them does have a door. This bathroom has been fully remodeled. This live edge, kind of like a granite slab. And then beautiful porcelain bowl with some character on the outside. And a nice antiqued faucet. Do have a fan in here. The same flooring as what we saw downstairs in the downstairs bathroom. Same shower doors as the downstairs as well. And then this beautiful antique bronze, kind of like a rainfall shower with beautiful treetop views, shampoo box, and slightly like a more slate looking tile on the floor. We do have storage in the bathroom, and beautiful. I love these little pieces right here. And then lastly, coming into the master up here, do have a nice little sanctuary to get away from it all. Quiet doors up here, and close it off. And as you can see, big enough to sleep 4, 5, 6 people, depending upon how many people you want in your bed. So this one, we've got a queen size bed, and we've got a twin and another twin on this side. We do have a TV. Our skylights, so we've got 2 skylights, one at the front and one at the rear, that give us enough lighting in here. And then got a little nook back here, and the beautiful vaulted A-frame upstairs as well. And then here is our closet and the master. And then lastly, I'm gonna take you down to the backyard and show you what that has to offer. See if I can get behind. Okay, so here we are in the backyard. We do have the rain gutters up above us, barbecue area. We are fenced back here as well, so just a partially fenced yard. Little area to hang some towels for the spa. And then we've got the hot tub. Which is definitely a bonus for vacation rentals. This is going to be one thing that people are always searching for. Deck is wood in great shape. Here you can kind of see the pop out for the bathroom upstairs. And the yard, pretty level too. So let me know what you think. Storage down below, and then also our 1-car garage with laundry inside as well. Let me know what you think. Talk to you soon. Bye.